Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I get ready with minimal effort. And you'll probably think this still looks like a lot of work, but believe me, it's actually very easy. If I wasn't filming, I could basically do this in 10 to 15 minutes. Like very minimal makeup, even though it doesn't look minimal. I actually didn't wear any foundation today. It's basically BB cream and then some products, and of course I put on lashes, but lashes is just very minimal effort for me. I know for a lot of people it can be like a high maintenance, but for me it's just something I just put on in like less than 2 minutes. So yeah, and I just have my hair in a bun and a very comfy outfit. It's perfect if you want to look put together but you don't want to like go all the way, or you just don't have time and energy to invest like in having very nice hair or very gorgeous makeup or a very put together outfit, but you just want to keep it very simple. As you can see, I also went for quite a glowy look because I really felt like doing a glowy look, and doing a glowy look is also very easy to do compared to a full matte makeup look. So yeah, if you want to see how I did my makeup, hair and outfit with minimal effort, let's get on with the video.
Long time.
Yes, ma'am. A lot of water under the bridge.
Some of the old songs.
Yes, ma'am.
So that was it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up if you liked, and of course subscribe, and I'll see you guys the next time in a new video. Bye bye.